Today we are steam cleaning a garage with our truck mounted extraction equipment. One of our favorite, most satisfying things to do, as Matt is putting the counter rotating brush to good use as he prepares for the extraction of all that dirt and grime. One of the best ways to do this is not with a pressure washer because we can control the water as it's getting sucked back in through our hoses. And it's really cleaning and sanitizing in between all the different concrete slabs. So not only is it getting up all that grease, grime, soils, oils that lay on the garage floor, we're actually cleaning and sanitizing and disinfecting the concrete, and it doesn't take long for it to dry as well. It'll be dry usually by the time we pack up equipment and get out of there. So it's a really great way to clean your garage without the mess. And that's just another way that when life gets messy, we clean it up at AmeriDry Restoration.